All right. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your biodata from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, right? Please speak louder. I cannot clearly hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
I don't have ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. This is my fourth time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
To sustain my family needs, ma'am.
To sustain your family's needs. Okay, why did you still choose to work as a domestic helper?
Um, I'm a hardworking mom, and uh, I love cleaning the houses.
You love cleaning the houses. Do you think you are worth it with the increment of a salary here in Malaysia?
Yes,
Are you sure? What is the quality of being a domestic helper?
you must be responsible, hardworking, and respectful.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am Liralyn Rapos. I am 35 years old. I am single. I uh, I finished secondary, and I have a working experience before as a domestic helper in Abu Dhabi way back 2014 until 2000, and then I work again in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper. It's year 2019 to 2018 to 2022, 2020, and then I work again in Abu Dhabi, uh, February 2022 to July 2024.
All right. So, thank you for your introduction, but I would like to know some few more details from you. You are single mother or with live-in partner?
Single mom. Single. I'm single. I just have boyfriend.
You just have a boyfriend. When is your birthday?
It's January 10, 1990.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'4", and my weight is 53.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background? Again, you are secondary for what? Is it a college level?
Only secondary,
High
ma'am.
school?
Yes.
All right. So you have children?
I don't
Is your
have.
family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia? How many brother and sister do you have?
I don't have brother. I just have two sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the youngest.
how about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My parents, my mother is 69, and I don't have father. He's already died.
What is your mother occupation?
House, she just in the house, mom.
So you mentioned, according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2028 to 2022 in Riyadh and you finished your contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And according to you and according to your profile, it was stated that you do the house chores, laundry, ironing, and somehow you take your children, which is 7, 5, and 2 years old, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the only helper inside the house or do you have companion?
I'm the only one, ma'am.
All right. What happened why you didn't renew your contract with this previous employment in KSA?
A finished contract, ma'am.
What happened why you didn't renew your contract?
I just want to apply in other country.
After that, you worked in UAE for 2 years as an office girl, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think you can still work as a domestic helper here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
You can finish your
Because
2 years contract?
yes, ma'am. Because my work also in UAE is just like same the work of household worker.
All right. So working here in Malaysia is quite different in Riyadh and UAE. Okay? You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines or in the Riyadh or in the UAE. Are you ready for houses here is very big one. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, same like what you have signed in other countries, right? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you're not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during night time only. So don't tell me later, ma'am, why I cannot hold my phone for 24 hours. No such a thing. Because in our initial interview, you agree about our terms and conditions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. This is a strictly no go out policy. If you will going to work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. Just don't give us problem. All right? If you disagree, you can stay in the Philippines. If you don't like our terms and conditions, it's okay. Don't come here. Okay? Then don't give us problem also. Yeah? Because
Yes.
this is your choice. You wanted to work here and it's not us that don't give us problem once you come to work here in Malaysia. Okay? Because we don't force and nobody force you to come and work here. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
So remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for yourself because knowing that you are still single and you still don't have any children right now, correct?
Yes,
Remind
ma'am.
yourself in Philippines we can be the boss there, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a one question. So how do you handle like any feedback if the employer given you a feedback regarding about your job inside the house or the employer corrected you, how will you gonna handle it?
It's I I am willing to hear what she want to told me or she want to teach me.
Perfect. So how, like for example, how do you deal with your homesickness?
Um, I just need to focus to my work.
I think that's all for now, Lira Lynn. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much
Okay.
and have a good day.